Hey guys, do you want the free camera receiver for your Rode wireless microphone set? I'm going to show you how to claim it step by step and how to avoid the scammers. Let's go. Rode recently made the camera receiver available as a free bonus for the wireless microphone owners. You just need to register and redeem through your Rode account. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps and give a few tips so you don't get tripped up when it comes to this. Now, this is not going to be a scam. There's no third party trick. There's none of this stuff. I'm not requesting any kind of credit card or debit card information. So this is going to be something that you're going to basically be able to go through on the actual Rode website. Just make sure that you are going through the official channels when it actually comes to them. So we're going to end up switching over into my computer so you can see exactly what we're talking about. All right. Here is the Rode wireless micro camera receiver. It looks very similar to what you're going to look at with some of the other Rode items. So this one here is the receiver for the wireless Go 2. A little bit different, as you can see from the actual screen that we're looking at right now. Uh, it is the ultimate companion to the wireless micro. It's one of the only other accessories short of the little microphone filters that kind of go over them, delivering pristine audio directly to your camera. Designed for ultimate versatility, it features universal connectivity with any camera and fits effortlessly into any workflow with its ultra compact and lightweight design. So, a couple of the key features you're going to look at, as you can see right here, ultra compact on camera receiver compatible with up to 2 wireless micro transmitters. So, when you get one set of microphones, which is typically somewhere between $100 and $150. It depends on if it's on sale or if there's been a drop in price. Then one of those sets will actually connect this. Doesn't sound like you can daisy chain or do multiple sets to one particular microphone, so kind of keep that in mind when you are actually looking to utilize these. Now, one thing that you really want to look at is right up here in this little small text up here at the top. All wireless micro owners are eligible to claim a free bonus camera receiver by registering their product at account.rode.com. Now, I've already got that pulled up over here. So, what you'll do is you'll log in with your email address and password. If you don't already have an actual Rode account, you're going to create an account. I'm going to log in because I've already been logged in. And then this is the next screen that you're going to look at when it comes to registering your product. You're going to select your Rode product. You're going to scroll down here to wireless audio, down to wireless micro. I'm going to show you the box. So this is the actual box that you would typically get for the Rode wireless micro. To find your serial number, it's going to be right on the side there, right above the actual UPC there. So make sure you keep your box so that you can actually get this information off of there. Now, one other way that you can actually find the serial number for your microphone if you've lost the box or gotten rid of your box is on the back of one of your actual microphones. You kind of have to kind of flip it out a little bit, but you'll see it with little white text right there. That's actually your serial number. I know you can't really see it very well here, but that is actually the other way to get your serial number for your actual microphone as well. Now, when you find that, you're going to put in your actual serial number right here. Obviously, this is a matter of what color you got. They do have the lightning ones. They have the ones for USB-C. They got a black one and a white one for both of them. So if you have a little bit older iPhone and not necessarily the newest type, then you can actually register for either of those as well. Now, once you register it, you're going to go from having just a basic 1 year manufacturer warranty all the way up to having a 5 year extended warranty, which is awesome because I've had to utilize the warranty with one or two of my Rode items before as well. Headphones, they do a great job, especially if you accidentally break the actual headphones themselves. They actually replaced one of my sets for no extra charge when I had no idea that they would have actually done that. So I got to give props to Rode for really, really doing great with their customer service when it comes to their products. Now, like I said, I've already done my registration, but once you get it all registered, the wireless micro entry is going to show a redeem or claim bonus button. You want to click that. While the camera receiver itself is listed as the bonus, you may be asked to pay for shipping or taxes depending on your region. This is normal in many zones. Just double check the final price before confirming. I actually paid, I want to say it was either $6.99 or $7.99 for mine. I got it within about 5 days. So it was pretty quick in terms of shipping. I was actually pretty surprised that it came as fast as it did. Here is the actual box itself. If you see, notice right here where my pinky is, it says it's 4 cameras. Now, these devices, the receiver, it's a little harder to connect to, well, anything because it is so wide. Now, when you actually look at this, this is the actual receiver itself. As you see, it's pretty wide, so it makes it a little harder to connect to specific cameras because there's sometimes other cables in the way. You could plug it in, but it's not going to actually respond for a lot of your cameras as well, if not all of your cameras. That's why having this receiver is so important. But the fact of the matter is, you are getting a $79 adapter here for shipping. So you're paying a tenth of the price for something that would typically cost you a lot more money. And if you are a videographer, if you are a blogger, you're a vlogger, and all you're really using is your camera or your phone, this little guy is a great, great device for you to utilize for leveling up your audio. And your audio is probably going to be one of the most important things that you could be looking at as well. Now, while you can sit there and have cruddy video, you get people that just drive down the road and they want to hear you. And then they don't really necessarily need your video, but they're still giving you that view time on your actual channel. Now, just a couple quick tips and warnings as well. You only want to register genuine products. Don't click on any weird emails or domains. I mentioned that earlier in the video. Rode has warned about phishing and fake affiliate sponsorship sites. Always use the account.rode.com website or rode.com, which is exactly what I showed you. Now, promotions and regional gift with purchase offers vary. Make sure you check the terms and conditions or the retailer pages for region-specific rules. Now, if you've already registered the wireless micro in the past, log in and check your products page. It doesn't matter if you just bought the microphone today. It doesn't matter if you bought the microphone 6 months ago. I don't even think it's 6 months old, but it doesn't really matter. Once you get it registered and it's linked to your account, you can go in there and redeem for this free device. And even if you don't use it, why the heck not? It's only like $8. It's not going to kill you too much. Now, I know for some people who are a lot younger that are looking at this, obviously you'll have to get your parents to register and order it for you. But it's a small price to pay for a hobby that you're trying to get into. Now you want to level up. Again, this is probably the cheapest way you're going to level up right this second with whatever camera that you're actually connecting to. Make sure you do follow the prompts to add the camera receiver to your cart and finish your checkout. Now, if you miss this particular free giveaway that they're giving, Rode's always running different giveaways and prize packs from time to time on their site and their social media sites as well. So there's always a potential for you to be able to win it later on down the road if you miss this promotion. So just keep on checking Rode's news and social media channels for future chances. Now, that's all the information I've really got when it comes to this. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. If it did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, guys. Really, really appreciate it. We're trying to grow the channel to being as big as it can be and get to that monetization. I'm also going to pin a quick checklist in the description with the direct Rode help link so you can jump straight to the claims page. So make sure you check out that link when I post it down below. Again, guys, I thank you guys for coming and checking the channel out, checking the video out. I hope you got a really good amount of takeaways from this, and I'll see you in the next video.